Running your business without good, solid online reviews will not put you in a competitive position. There are three big platforms out there: Google Reviews, Yelp, and Facebook recommendations. Google Reviews is by far the platform that will give you the biggest impact. You can monitor all of them in our reputation management tool. Our review section is literally the meat and potatoes of this tool, so let's get started. Welcome to part 2 of our 4-part series about the features of the Reputation Tracker and Survey tool. Now we will dive into the review section of the Reputation Management tool. This is one of the most important sections. You will manage and engage with your clients through your review platforms. You will see Google, Yelp, Facebook, Healthgrades, and Superpages. These are the 5 listings you can manage within this tool. I would recommend that you manage at a minimum Google, Yelp, and Facebook. These are the most dominant review platforms. You can filter to view only reviews on a specific platform, like Google, same thing with Yelp and Facebook. You can also filter based on the sentiment of the review rating. All ratings, positive, neutral, or negative. So right now, I have all the ratings selected. So here's the fun part, and actually really important: replying to your reviews and engaging with your clients and patients. Reviews and star ratings are a big Google ranking factor now, and you have an opportunity to do this in our reputation management tool. When you click reply to your Google review, you can type in your response directly on this page, or you can select or access the response library by clicking on Select from Reply Library. The response template range from pricing, product, demeanor, timeliness, and so much more. You can also filter based on positive or negative sentiment on the review. Each of these predetermined responses can be customized after they are selected. So being responsive to your reviews will help you build on the number of your 5-star reviews. Google reviews really do provide the biggest credibility and visibility for your practice. Just a side note, when responding to a review, please make sure to maintain HIPAA compliance. When you select the visibility sidebar, you will see all of your listings. You will need to connect each listing in order to respond from the tool. So check out help.imatrix.com and take a look under Reputation Management, Connect to your listings for more details. So keep in mind, the more information you have, like your physical address, business phone number, email, website, office hours, and photos, the better it is for your practice, and Google does like more information. Again, it is better from a visibility perspective, SEO, and Google ranking. Now that you have the upper hand on reviews and your ability to build trust online, tune in to our next video on competition to see where you rank against your competitors, and check out help.imatrix.com for more info.